Welcome to yet another video. This is actually one of my most requested video on this channel, and I'm really sorry that it's coming this late. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design your own custom lower third on vMix, and how you can also redesign the already made lower third that are on vMix, and how you can also design your picture, turn it into a lower third, or if you want to use the vMix one. Everything on vMix lower third is what I'm going to show you in this particular tutorial. Now if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, or you haven't subscribed, smash that red subscribe button below to be part of our little family here on this channel, and remember to turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you first whenever any videos are dropped on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. You are wonderful and you are loved by me as well. Please remember to like this video so the YouTube algorithm can also recommend it to other people on the YouTube community that are looking for help to things like this, or would want to be part of our little family here on this channel. And without any further ado, let me show you how you can be able to bring in your lower third, design your own custom lower third on vMix. Now let's go. Now the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and install vMix on your PC if you don't have vMix running. Okay, so go ahead and install vMix, and once you've installed vMix on your PC, now go over, or just open it. Now once you've opened it, go over to the add input down there. You can see there, just click on it and you will see the title SEML there. See, this is it here, and these are the title, the pre-designed title that comes with the vMix 24 or any other version of vMix that you're using. You see lots of title there, so vMix usually updates this depending on the version of vMix that you're using. Now vMix 25 comes with lots of newer title, and vMix 24 comes with its own custom title, and vMix 23 has its own title as well. The same with vMix 22 and hosts of other vMix software that they're made available online. Okay, so these are some of the titles here, and most times when I use vMix, people don't really believe that I use vMix to do my live broadcast, because most of the title there I redesigned them, or I made my own custom title as well. And these are lists of the title that you can make use of on vMix. Now if you want to use this one, just select anyone that you want to use and click on OK. Now once you've clicked on OK, see this is it, and I'm just going to close this box. Now if you want to re-edit this title, as you can see here on the screen, just put your mouse at the center and right click. See, put your mouse at the center of the title. See the dark part there where this place my mouse is moving, right click, and you see the title editor right there on the screen. Now click on the title editor and just type your name. I'm just going to type whatever information you want to put in on the screen. Now this is it. I'm just going to just type Poteki, and as you can see, now you can use this plus sign to increase the font size, or use the minus sign to reduce the font size. So whichever one you want to do, this is how to do it. Now if you want to change the font, all you have to do is to click on the A sign there, click on the A sign, and you should be able to change the font to whichever one you want to make use of. Okay, so this is it. And I'm just going to, once you're done, just close it and use any of this number down here, 1 2 3 4, to bring it on your screen. Now once you use any of this number, you see it's already on the screen, and if you want to remove it, click that same number that you used to bring it in, and it will take it out. Now if I use 3 to bring it in, I will use that same 3 to take it out. Okay, now how do you reshape it? Now you can see it's very big on the screen, and I don't want it to be like that because it's covering a lot of space on my screen. Now how do you do that? The best way for you to do is to click on this setting there. See the configure various input title. See the setting there. You can either click on this, or you double click on the title inside itself. Now see the inside where my mouse is, just double click on it, and once you double click on it, go over and click on position. This is the position right here, and click on position and use the zoom X. See the zoom X here, this is the zoom X. You can use it to shrink it, and use this one to reduce the size, zoom X and zoom Y. See the way it's reducing. So just use this zoom X, zoom Y, and once you are done, use the pan Y to bring it down. Okay, and you use the pan X to take it to either the left or right. As you can see where it is now. Now once you're done, close it, and you can see how smaller and nice is looking on the screen. Now how do you make your own custom lower third on vMix? The first thing you are going to do is still remain. Once you open your vMix, now you see this 3 line here, this 3 line here. You can see this 3 line by my right, sorry. See the 3 line there. So click on it, and you see the GT Title Designer or the Legacy Title Designer. So I advise you use the GT Title Designer because the Legacy Title Designer is actually outdated. Okay, so use the GT Title Designer, which is the one I make use of. Now click on the GT Title Designer and it's going to open it on your screen. I'm just going to give it a second for it to open the GT Title Designer, and this is the GT Title Designer on my screen. Now once you've opened the GT Title Designer, use the rectangular shape, the circle shape. Just use this to design any title you want to use. Now let me show you how I do my. First I click on this rectangle here, and this is it. I first draw my line here, and once I finish drawing my line, just draw my line. That's the first thing I do. I draw my line. Okay, so once I'm done, and reshape it. See this button right there, or this, see them? So use them to reshape it however I want it to be. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on color first and change the color to whatever thing I want it to be on. So I always like to use blue. Now once you've enabled that, you go over to style and select any kind of shape that you want to use. Let me expand this. You can see any type of shape that you want to use. If you want it to be this shape, if you want it to be that shape, want it to be on the circular shape, the shape, that shape. So whichever one you choose, remember to go back to the home and also change the color again. See, change the color again. See, and this is how it's looking now. Now what is the next thing you're going to do? Click on that same rectangular there, you see, and bring in another rectangular shape, drop it on the screen here. And once you're done, click on the style. If you want to use it on circle, or if you want to turn it to this shape, so you see all the shapes there that are available. Now once you're done, go back to home and click on the gradient. Let's change this color from what it is to what we want it to be. Now the thickness, we don't want this. Let's also remove this one. This is it, and let's change the color to white. Sorry. Okay, so this is it here on the screen. I'm just going to reduce this one, push it all the way here. You can see how my title is looking nice right now. Now the next thing, you see the image there. This is what you use if you want to bring in your logo on your title. Now click on this image here. Okay, let me go over to where I kept my logo and end time and logo for vMix title. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, so this is it here. See, this is it, and I'm going to enlarge this particular one here, or let me just reduce it. Let me reduce it all the way to the end and bring another square rectangular shape there. There's another rectangular shape, keep it here. Okay, so drag this one and sync these two together. You see, now take my logo there and then try to push the logo at the top left here. Then once you're done, make sure the size mode for your image, you put it on stretch. Then this will enable you to stretch the image, you see. So this will enable you to stretch the image to fit in on the box. Now let's change the color of the box first. Let's change it to white again. And let's change it to white and change the style to this. I think this will make it to look nice. Let's change it to white again. Here, and then white. Once you're done, so that it can blend in with our logo. And this is it. See, this is how everything is looking on the screen. Now how do you bring in your text? See the text there, the text block. Click on the text block, bring in your text, align it where you want it to be in. Click on color, change it to white, and this is it. Okay, this is it. Push it to the left. Okay, push it to the left, and let's reduce this one size. Let's push it all the way up, and let's reduce this one size as well. So this is how I want it to be. This is how I want it to look like. Let me also reduce this one as well. And once you're done, you see the regular there, make it bold, and see the font there. Change it to any font that you want to use. Now I always like to use Tahoma. Yeah, I think that's the name. I don't know if I get it right, but that's the only font that I know I always want to use. Yeah, I like it because it's bold and it makes it stand out. So you can use Roboto to whichever one you want to use. You can also do that as well. Put it here and make sure it's on bold. Let's try to increase it to 60. shift it small, reduce it here, push it here, and then once you are done, you can also go ahead and place your mouse on it, right click, and you see the you can just and put your mouse on it, right click, and see copy, and then paste it again, then change the color to black. Now change the color to black. Let's reduce the font to 28. Let's put it at the top, and when done, I'm still going to show you how to add animation to it. Okay, so 36. Now once you click on it, make sure you put it at the put it back, and make sure you put it at the center, and this should work fine for you. Okay, so you can see currently is at the center right now. See, this is our title. Now if you want to add animation to it, all you have to do is to click on, not the text, click on the shape that you designed, click on it, and you go over to animation at the top. See the animation there. You can use either rotate, you see, so you can use either rotate, zoom. Let me try to use zoom. You can see a plate, it's just zoom in like that, and then click on the text too and put it on expand, and this is how everything is going to look like. If I click on this one here, the white one, I put it on fly, okay, and then I click on my image, I put it on fly, then I click on the upper one here, okay, so then I put it on review, so you see, then I click on my text and I put it on fly. See, this is how everything is going to look like, you see. Now remember, this is the transition in. If you also want to add the transition out, click on this transition in here, see, select transition out, and from here you can select any, click on any one you want and put a transition out to it. Now once you're done, go ahead and save it. Click on the file here, save as, and let's name this one experiment. Let's put it on let me check for a folder that, let's put it on document, Dale, and let's put it on as our test title, this test title, and save. And once you put it as test title and save, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this, and let's go ahead and click on the add input on vMix. Okay, click on title and SAML and click on browse. You see the browse tab there. Let's click on browse and look for the folder where we kept it. Now we kept it on document, Dale, and this is it here. Click on open. You can see it here. It's among the list of title we have here on vMix. You see, that's the title we just designed. Click on it and select open, and you can see here on the screen, this is the title we just designed. Okay, so if you want to bring it on the screen, this is it. You see it, so it comes in with the effect that we added to it. You see, this is how it's going to look like. Now if you want to edit it, just put your mouse at the inside of it and right click, select title editor, put whatever thing you want to be at the top, put whatever thing you want to add as text, the other text, and this is how it's going to look like. Now if you want to reshape it, double click on it and use the pan X and pan Y to reshape it. Now I'm just going to do that. Reshape it, use the pan Y to bring it down or up, and use the pan X or Y to take it to the left or to the right. Let's close this and remove this one. You can see how it's looking on the screen. It just pops off like that beautifully well. If you want to take it out, click on it again, and you take it out, click on it again to bring it in, click on it again to take it out, click on it again to take it, click on it again to take it out. Now if you want to redesign the already made template that are on vMix, you want to change the color or do anything to it, it's very simple. Now still open this right here on the screen, click on file and select open. Now select open here. I want to select open, go over to your local disk. See my local disk right there. Let me enlarge it, this. Now select local disk and go to program file x86, double click on it, and you see vMix. Scroll down until you see vMix. Now this is vMix, not vMix video codec or vMix social, vMix. Now double click on vMix and go over to titles. You see that's it right there, titles, sorry, think my eyes, titles, and then from here you select any of the titles that you want to re-edit. You can select on social, scoreboard, GT title. You see the GT title there, or the GT timer, whichever one you want to use, GT title, and select spinner or anyone you want to, and you see open, and you can see this is how it's looking now. So from here you can re-edit it, change the, go ahead and change the color. If you don't like the color that is in, you can go ahead and change it, put it on black. You see, just change the color to red, or change it to white, change it to black. You see, so you can just go ahead and make some funny changes to it. See, I can change it to, let's see, change it to white. No, white is bad. Change it to this color. Just go ahead and make some funny changes to it, and once you're done, remember to click on the file here, save as, and save it as in, don't save it inside this place, okay? Don't save it inside the vMix GT title. Save it on a different folder entirely outside, like your deck. You can save it on your desktop, or your download your music, your pictures, video. Just save it somewhere else, okay? So that it don't mixed up with the titles that are on that you already have pre-installed on vMix, okay? So just like the way I did, open up my Dell and save it as vMix title edited, okay? Edited, and this is it, vMix title edited, and click on save. Now let's minimize this, go over and click on open here, add input here, sorry, click on add input, click on title and HTML, and from here go over to browse, and this is it here, vMix title editor. I see the title we just designed, select it and click on open, and this is it on the screen. You can see this is how I did it. So if you don't want to use the originally made title by vMix that can come with the pre-installed title, you can, this is the same way you can redesign them as well. Now in case if you still find this so difficult to do, no problem, I got you. All right, so open your browser, Chrome or whichever one you're using, and search for this poster my wall. Okay, see, poster my wall, open it, and this is it. Now the first thing you are going to do is to go ahead and make sure you have an account, create an account with them. So log in or you create an account with them now, and then once you've done creating an account, click on this template here. Once you're on templates, now let's search for lower third. See, lower third, and before all of this, make sure you've already created your account with them. This is it at the left, the login tab there. That's where you can use to create an account. Okay, so search for lower third. You can see list of different types of lower third. Just click on any one you love. See the edit design there. Click on edit design, and you can just make changes to it and download this as a picture. You see, just let's close this. You can see all of it here. Just make changes to it. Me here. So this one they already have it for you. And this one here, just double click on it, type or Turkey. You can see if you want to remove their logo, push out their logo, and can bring in your logo as well. Click on the photos, add from my photos, click on add from my photos, and you can select, see from here, upload your photo. You see upload photos here. You can upload your photos from here. You see, upload your photos from your PC. That's it right there on the screen. I'm just going to select this one, add the photo, and let's keep it in the circle. See, just can keep it in the circle if you want to. Click on remove color here. Okay, and this is it. So you can just basically walk around it, change the colors, anyone you want to do. Click on color here, just play around with it and let me know. See, this is it. You can change the color, delete this one, and everything. Now once you're ready, so that once you're done with the design and you're ready to download it, go over to this background here, see background, and make sure you keep it on transparent. You see, keep it on transparent before you download your title. Now make sure you keep the background on transparent. This is it, so that when you're downloading your title will be downloaded on PNG instead of JPEG. Okay, so and this is it. So I think I've covered everything already. So you see, in case you still have questions, just drop that in the comment section and we'll talk about it as well.